Very encouraging po yung kanyang testimony because she was diagnosed to be on the kidney transplant, di ba? On April 27. Dito ka, Dok. Dito ka. April 27. And she was asked to prepare at least about less than $1 million. Okay? Less than $1 million because it's a kidney transplant nga naman. So now, it's a good news because she has what's this? A test, blood chemistry, Doc. Okay, August 2, and now from 4.5 CREA, it was reduced to 1.66. Okay? So, ano ang kanyang ginamit? Ano ang kanyang ginamit? Of course, crypto and of course, 1 jar of PIPAR pa lang siya. And yet, she saved a lot of thousands and money. Okay, a round of applause for Lisa again po. Who know somebody who is suffering from kidney failure, of course, with Dr. Librando here, tanungin nyo na lang po sa kanya kung ano yung kanyang recommended dosage po. So we can help a lot of people, not only for kidney failure, but of course, yung kagaya kanina, Claudine is a very good testimony din po. So, a round of applause for Dr. Librando and ano po ang question and answer?
Of course, I have shown a slide already about renal failure, and I have a lot of reverse renal problem. I have a lot of cases due for dialysis. As of the moment, I have three for renal dialysis with creatinine ranging from 4 to 9. 4 to 9. But now their creatinine level is now below 2. That is 1.6, 1.4, 1.3. And now they have no more dialysis. See? There is no more transplant.
I'm Lisa Lu, 32 years old. I was diagnosed having chronic kidney disease, stage 5. And I need to undergo kidney transplant. But after finding out about this product, which specifically the crypto and the crypto PIPARs, it made a difference. After ma-discover ko yung PIPAR, from June of this year, bali 2 months time lang na tinake ko ang PIPAR, nag-normalize po ang aking creatinine and blood pressure. It's a blessing na nalaman ko yung tungkol dito sa product na to, na nakakatulong talaga sa akin. At hindi lang sa akin, makakatulong din sa marami pang may sakit. I want to take the opportunity to thank God for giving me such a wonderful blessing. Blessing like finding out about products and the people behind po kayong matutulungan mga tao.